Hello to my biology students. This is Mr. Wood, your teacher. I'm doing a quick video update so we continue on our group projects. We've all been assigned a group. There's no more changes that will be made to the groups, so please move forward. We received our weekly Newsela daily reading assignment on endangered species. Hopefully you have all read through your article, taken some notes, so we can continue with our group assignment. So after you read your article, example is up in front of you right now, I did the cheetah. We're going to take that information and we're going to open our Padlet. You should all be familiar with that. We use this all the time. We're going to do a Padlet exercise. You're going to take your endangered species, log into Padlet, and you're going to tell us what species you chose, what animal you chose, and what you learned about that animal. All right, apologize for the delays. I'm working from home, and of course, connection is running a little bit slow, just like it is for everybody else. So, after your Newsela article, you're going to take the information, and we're going to add that to our Padlet. Each one is responsible for one animal. You don't have to do one. Make sure you add it correctly. We've done this before. This isn't anything new. Please add a picture. And if you'd like to add a video as well, that is always welcome. Remember, no plagiarism. Work on your own. If you have questions, if you need help with any part of this, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Again, this is just the first step in our group project. I'll follow up shortly with another video that will explain how we're going to take the Padlet information, work within our groups, choose one of the endangered species from our group, and we're going to create a Google slide presentation. So, again, any questions, please contact me directly. Regular hours, not in the classroom, no one's allowed on school still. But contact me directly and I'll be more than happy to help you out. I hope everybody's staying healthy and safe. Please remember, campus is closed. We still have free breakfast and lunch available for you and your families. If you need anything to be picked up from the school, a Chromebook, anything like that, let me know and I'll contact administration for you. All right, students. We'll talk to you soon. Be safe. Goodbye.